disturb sign while I'm laid back.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Big Rob here. What I want to do, take this moment to show you guys how to add cryptocurrencies or add pairs to your MT4 platform. So we're going to just go ahead and jump into it real quick. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Alright, just give it a little minute. Alright. Alright, cool. Just opened up my chart here. So anyway, if you want to add the Bitcoin, you want to add, indices, whatever you need to add, want to add. But you will go, you actually will go up under Market Watch, right here, okay? You're gonna take your mouse, hover it over it, doesn't matter where your mouse is at, you're gonna right click, you're gonna go to Symbol, alright? Here, in this part right here, you're gonna select, let's say if I want to add Bitcoin, you go to Cryptos, alright? You will click Bitcoin, you just double click, it should highlight yellow, pick the ones that you want. I got Litecoin, I'm going to add Ethereum to the mix, and what you do, you can go, if you want to add metals like silver, gold, platinum, okay, you want to add indices, go to indexes, and go to indexes, there you go, boom. Just add those on your chart. Don't mess with these right here, okay? These you don't really have to touch, okay? US shares, look at that, Bank of America, Amazon, Apple, Citigroup, you could trade all this, look at this. That's why I say Forex is huge. These are stocks, okay? You need a lot of money to trade this. You can't just trade this on a $1,000 account, 5,000. You have to have thousands of dollars to trade this, okay? But just show you how big Forex is, alright? Forex is not just currency pairs, it's not just crypto, it's everything. This is $6 trillion in the market right here, you guys. Alright? So, that's all you have to do. Once you do that, add those pairs, cryptos, indices, they show up on your section here. And all you gotta do, go to the pair, click chart window, boom, there you go, you got it. Simple as that. Boom. So I hope this little quick video tutorial helps you out a whole lot. So I just want to make sure you pretty much understood the basis on how to do that. If you want to reach out to me, just drop a comment below, whatever. Okay, so hope this helps. Talk to you soon.